Alright guys, good morning to you all. Those watching me from different regions, good morning, good afternoon and good night guys. So right in this video I'll be showing you step by step on how Omega has actually came up with the launching and listing out on exchanges, which is basically centralized exchange. So congratulations to those who have been able to take up this opportunity right from the moment I shared it, though I actually didn't share this mining update early though, and also it was actually mining slowly during the very moment I got to share about Omega Network mining project on my channel here. So today we'll be talking about the step by step on how to claim this released token. So we'll be talking about how we can be able to withdraw. So basically it's actually claiming it on the centralized exchange. So here we have different exchanges that will be listing OMN today, being 16th of June. So top exchanges include OKX, Bybit, Gate.io, Mex and Global, Mex Global and KuCoin. Okay, so we'll be talking about, I'll be using OKX to show you how you can claim your mined Omega token, and then you can now be able to swap it or send it to other exchanges of your choice for trading when you've already converted it. So while we wait for the release of the token for us to claim, I'll be guiding you on this video how you can be able to do that step by step. I'll be using every guide that you need to follow. So first of all, I am actually on their Twitter page, so you can see they have actually shared a lot of information here. So June 16th, 9 a.m. UTC, the uh, the listing will occur. So depending on the region you're actually connecting from, so I'll be using Nigerian time to be around 10 9 10 11. So that is basically the region where I'm connecting from. So the time that they'll be listing this on exchanges, as I've already said, will be around 9:10. Okay, so okay, the claiming is around 9, so the listing should be around 10 or 11 thereabout. So let's go straight to the step-by-step guide on how you can get started. First of all, you have to go to your Omega app, Omega mining app. Okay, all right, I actually did not mine much during the mining stage, but I think it's actually still okay. All right, so you have to take other mining project that I've shared on this channel very serious, guys. If you want me to list the ones that are actually looking so potential, you have to contact me on WhatsApp. I'll show you a list of the mining project that will actually change your life if you can grab the opportunities right away. So let's go straight to know how we can be able to um, claim our mined token right away. So once you are here on the page, I believe everyone has done verification. So if you have not done verification, proceed to this verification. Copy your address, Omega address, wallet address from wallet. If you have created wallet, then go straight to the verification. Do your verification, very easy. Okay, it will be verified within a few minutes. Now you have to come to your, once it's verified, this is actually how the verification will look. Right, so you have to go back. Okay, you go back to your, let's go back. Okay, let's go straight to, so once you are here, the next you're going to do is to click on wallet. All right, just click on wallet, so it will load up for you, or you tap somewhere around here to exit. So I have around 212 tokens only. Okay, but it's actually something. So you have to tap on this. There is this wallet option here. You're going to tap on it and it will bring you the options of options for Omega chain, this one, and this one. So you are going to tap on Omega wallet. Okay, sorry about that. You are going to tap on this Omega wallet. Okay, you have to click on chain. You notice that you've already received, you put your password. Okay, you notice that you've already received 0.1 dollar. Okay, 0.1 OMN, not dollar. Okay, you see that this is the gas fee that you are going to be using to claim your token. So next thing you're going to do is to click on this icon here showing your phrase, your passphrase. Okay, just tap here, once you tapped here, I'm very cautious. Okay, you see that you have your backup phrase here. Just tap on it. All right, tap on it and you will see copy. You see copy here, just copy it, then just follow me straight to let's go to OKX exchange. If you don't have OKX exchange, go to Play Store, or I'll drop the link to download OKX and get registered. Verify your account, very simple. Then you follow me straight away. Okay, I'll go to OKX. Let me type OKX and OKX. All right, so you select this one. All right, so when you have already entered your OKX exchange, what you're going to do is to look right here. You see that we have exchange and we have wallet. Okay, so what we are going to do is that if your own is already on exchange, you will switch it to wallet. You tap on this wallet section. Okay, just tap on wallet here. Okay, just tap on it. For new user, it will actually load up. Okay, once you tap it to load up and bring you to add wallet, but I've already created up to 2 wallets. You have been using one before, so but this second one is the Omega wallet that I just created. So I'm going to tap here. Okay, just tap here, tap on this wallet where it's showing wallet B, because I have already created 2 wallets here. And you will see this manage. Click on manage. Okay, you will see add wallet. Click on this. You will see, okay, create import hardware watch only wallet. So you are going to click on import wallet, right? Because you've copied the passphrase. You see seed phrase here. Okay, just click on seed phrase. All right, it will give you this sign. Just copy that seed phrase you've copied from Omega mining app, paste it here. All right, you click here, it will show you confirm and add create password. So you just follow it up. Then once you've created an account, it will look like this. It will look like this particular one. You begin to see an account here. So that is how it is. You begin to see wallet you've created. So now you will see that what you need to do next is to come to this place and add Omega. All right, just add Omega. Tap on manage. If your own is not showing, you click on manage. You will see Omega here. See it here. You will tap on it, it will appear there. You click on plus instead of minus because I've already added my own. You scroll down, see under this plus section, you see it here. Click on plus, it will be added. Now let's go back and complete this step. How to claim. So you have to come to this discover. All right, this is the discover section where you have DAP. Okay, that is centralized app. So you have to click on this search button, one step website web3 hub. Okay, you click on this. All right, you will see this Omega network. What you're going to do is you type or you copy it from somewhere. You see https slash clone slash claim.omtch.com slash. Okay, Just tap on it. Okay, to load up for you. Load up for you. You wait patiently while it loads up. Okay, now you have to tap here. Tap on this omega sign here. This one will be showing, it might be showing Ethereum at default. So by default is Ethereum network, but you have to tap on it and change it to, you have to change it to Omega network, not Ethereum network. So you are going to click here. You are going to click here, all right? Click here and change it to Omega. Search for, this is it. You select this one. Okay, it will show. Because I've already selected, it's not going to work again. So once you've selected, you click on these three dotted lines. You click on it. You will see connect wallet. Okay, connect wallet. So you will connect. Okay, so you will connect here. So once you've clicked connect, you will scroll down. You will see OKX wallet. Connect here. Okay, once you've connected, you will begin to see this thing will come visible. Once your balance will reflect here. Okay, user mining balance will reflect here. Then you click on, once it is time for us to click to claim around 9, you come here, tap on this claim. It will automatically be claimed into your Omega wallet. So once you now go to home and go to this Omega, all right, this Omega, it will start showing here. Okay, it will show here. Then the value of, once it is listed, will be under it, which is in USDT. So it's now 00. So we're hoping everything will work perfectly, guys. So that is basically what this project has to offer us right at this moment. So if you have not started mining other projects like I shared MinePH, I shared Celia, I shared a lot of potential project like this one. So, and the new project that Core just launched, that will be coming up, the listing stage will come up next year, earlier next year. So if you have not started mining those project tokens, you have to do that quickly. You have to scroll through my channel. You will see a lot of exchange airdrop that I've already made a video on how you can go about them. So thank you for, don't forget to give a like to this video so that you get to notify, and also like and also subscribe. You get to notify once we share another video like this. Thank you guys, see you in my next video.